Hi guys. If you are like me and one day you happen to switch your Streamlabs scenes and or change overlays and your mic goes missing, here's what you do. First off, you look at it and you'll be like, why is my mic not working? Because you can tell when it works or not. It'll look like this if it, and it won't pick up anything. I muted mine, but that's really what it looks like. You can talk to your mic, it will not show any of the bars. So basically you go to your settings and you will basically add a sound setting. You can mess with this. If this doesn't work, then you will go here, you go to your mic, and then you can test it. If it's still not working, make sure your mic's plugged in, step 1. But you can add like hang on, it's been a while since I actually had to do it. I was thankful.
Are you talking about like the full search?
Yeah, no, you're gonna add your mic. I think you go through here. It's been so long since I actually had to add one. Well, anyways, it's gonna tell you like audio or something. There you go. Audio output capture. You're gonna add it. You're gonna name it, and then it's gonna show up like this. Then you're gonna edit it. Now I got 2. But yeah, you're gonna edit it and then make sure that it's picking up. This is just in case backup for when yours doesn't work. Streamlabs OBS is pretty cool for all the stuff that they have, all the stuff that they do. I just wanted to tell you a way, just in case, like you're scheduled to stream and you just happen to look and your mic is just not there anymore. That's one way you can do it. Yeah, you can also add another mic source just in case. But yeah, I just wanted to tell you that you can do that just in case. I think that's all for this video. I will catch you on the next one. Bye.